You will have one more day of basically fine and dry weather, but we are seeing a change, and new Atlantic weather systems are queuing up to affect us, especially through tomorrow and into Wednesday. Here in London, the skies have gradually cleared through the morning to give us some pleasant sunshine. It wasn't that way first thing this morning. It was rather cloudy, and in fact still some bands of cloud causing us a few problems, especially eastern parts of England, and also the approaching weather system bringing some low cloud into the west of Northern Ireland and on the western Isles of Scotland. Now, the forecast for the rest of the afternoon keeps a fair amount of sunshine in some of the more sheltered inland areas, but still again across parts of Norfolk and up along Lincolnshire coast and perhaps the eastern side of Scotland, that low cloud and mist is staying with us and holding the temperatures down. I think inland we're looking at figures as high as between 25 and 29 degrees. On the coast in that low cloud, perhaps 18 or 19, inland as much as 22 to 23, so much more refreshingly cool the further north you travel. Now, the sun is quite strong, so do remember that to cover up and protect yourself, the sun index ranging from 5 to 7, which is high, and also not good news for hay fever sufferers. Here we've got a high pollen index across the whole of the United Kingdom. But the good news is, through tomorrow, with a bit of rain arriving, it'll hopefully wash out some of that pollen. Now, that rain will be on the scenes tonight, in fact, in the second half of the night, across the western Isles of Scotland into parts of Northern Ireland. Inland, I think some mist and fog patches forming and temperatures falling no lower than around 10 as a minimum, and that'll be in the glens of Scotland. Now, we can follow that rain. It arrives on the scene really in the second half of the night across the western Isles of Scotland into the province of Northern Ireland for a time as well, and they're really getting going across the mainland parts of Scotland through the afternoon. Meanwhile, in the south and the southeast it's effectively dry, but we are going to see some showers developing. The winds will also freshen up, and they could be quite strong, especially across Northern Ireland and the western Isles of Scotland. Now, the real change happens, as I mentioned, through Tuesday and into Wednesday with these weather fronts sweeping through. So Tuesday's forecast is dry to start with, but that rain will move through and maybe even some thunder in Lincolnshire and East Anglia late in the day. Bye for now.